One of the problem what we face, in academic institute is the students that they spend, time in the corporate. Now we have classes from 9 to 5, from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is the only day. And most of the projects are, between say 30 and 40 days. By the time you get a permission to get a project, already 1 week is gone. And most companies, I don't know the statistics, but most companies say that you come 1 or 2 days, that's it. At the end of the day, we will give you a certification, something like that. Now, how is it we can address this where you have a balance of theory and practice? Where the syllabus is covered, the whole curriculum is also covered, the maximum or the minimum attendance is also kept, because all the universities, assist to have 80-85% of attendance and all that. The question is, our students don't spend much time, in corporates. And most of the B schools, after 2 years, you ask students, they will have not even visited a single company. They will have not seen or interacted with a single HR chief or say CEO. They will have not seen even a cabin or a building or a production or something like that. But still they are an MBA.
So, see, first thing that I will suggest to do is go back and look at your curriculum. Do you really need to teach everything that you're teaching today? Get corporates involved. Ask them that something that you're teaching a student today, would it ever be used? Ever? If not, immediate application in the job, but even peripherals of a job, would it ever be required in a job? I'm a mechanical engineer. While I never worked in that industry, I can tell you, 4 semesters I would have learned things which I will never use in my life. 2 years I wasted there in engineering. So we have to go back and look at our curriculum. That is where we can create time. There are 24 hours in a day. So we have to make sure that our curriculums are more oriented towards practical learning. And that can be done when we involve industry into helping us design our curriculum. There is a college in Hyderabad, I'm forgetting its full form, it's called WLIC. They have actually formed, I'm sorry?
WLCC.
Yeah, WLCC, yes. Vegan and Lay College, So they have formed a committee wherein they've got people from the corporate world who actually review their curriculum every year.